Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a theatre list on a theatre app. A theatre list is a schedule that helps surgeons plan and organize their surgical procedures. Its purpose is to facilitate effective coordination of the surgeon's schedule. Adding a theatre list from the theatre app will enhance workflow efficiency and save time. In this video, you may start on the home screen of your preferred internet browser. For this example, we will be using Google Chrome. Navigate to the GoodX Theatre app website by typing in /app/GoodX Theatre at the end of the GoodX web URL and press the Enter key on your keyboard. The GoodX Theatre screen will open. Depending on the device you are utilizing, you will either tap or click on a screen to perform actions. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the tap action. Tap on the Add a New Theatre List button on the home screen. Please note that the Add a New Theatre button will only be available on the home screen if no other theatre list has been created on the selected date. Alternatively, open the burger menu and tap on the Add Theatre List button. The Add a Theatre List screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and buttons within this screen. Please note that all fields that are marked with an asterisk symbol are mandatory fields which need to be completed in order to save the theatre list. Tap on a diary drop-down menu and select the applicable diary from the list. Tap on a date field to open a date picker and select the desired date on which the theatre list will be created. Tap on a start time field to enter the desired time that the theatre list will begin. Tap on the end time field to enter the desired time that the theatre list will conclude. Enter the applicable name of the facility by tapping on the hospital or facility field. Tap on the Edit Team button to add the details of the surgical team that will be involved. The Add a Theatre Team screen will open. Complete the listed fields on the screen by tapping on its respective field and select the applicable option from the list. Please note that the medical professionals will only appear on this list if they are already created on the system. Once satisfied with the team, tap on the Save Team button. Tap on a Create List button located at the top right and bottom right corners of the screen to save the theatre list. Once a theatre list has been created, the practitioner can also book an operation. For more information regarding booking an operation on the theatre app, please refer to the theatre app Add Operation user manual linked in this video's description.